Hi, I'm Neil Kimball, the Good Dog Trainer, and let me take off my mask to let everybody know that I have been involved with training dog owners and rehabilitating their dogs in the villages and around the villages for the last 2 years. And I've been very successful with these families. I've created a new pack environment in the home for these 150 people. And I really am interested in coming out and helping your family with your needs, with dog obedience, with any aggressiveness, or any dogs that are destructive. I can help. And I'm also starting now, and I'm promoting it just at this event, the Good Dog Yappy Hour, where I'm going to have villagers host a socially distanced dog training in their lanai or in their backyard or in their cul-de-sac, where you can invite 5 or more dog owners with their dogs together, and I will come in, and for 2 hours we'll do dog training and dog skills right in the neighborhood, so that we create not only a happy and harmonious home, but we'll also create a happy and harmonious neighborhood. If you're in the villages or any of the surrounding areas, I'm here to help create dog obedience in this area. Thank you. Neil Kimball, the Good Dog Trainer, and my phone number is 352-391-3273. Call me or text me. Love to get started. Thank you.